Fuel ka. Already fuel. What do you want, blood? Let's go! Ano ba to? Why are you tabingi when you drive, huh? Okay.
Ano na?
This is like, so, you know, in life, there's ups and downs. Exactly. Up and downs. You wanna know downs?
Bangga
Downs is when I couldn't get this car to start kanina! It took me 30 minutes and look, it's 9! Look, there's a house there. For example, people there are probably starving. Let's go. Uy, pupunta tayo doon, tangek. Oh, let's go. Open the door! Tigil! Stop the car!
Tinulak.
Stop!
Itaas mo yung handbrake. Itaas mo yung handbrake.
Ay, tinataas ba yun? Uy, taas mo.
Oh.
Okay, gawin natin.
Ayun na.
Oh, walang pake. Let's go, let's go. Why? Balik mo yung engine. Wait.
Yaman na yan.
Yung ano, bahay na nakita. Mutant yan, tak. So, I want you to do is... I want you to do
Huwag
is...
kasi kinakot mo ako.
Yung magpahabol ka sa butan! Laksakin mo! Kuya! Pakul! Ini mo nga lahat
How
kasi
to...
mamamatay ka na.
Paano kumain? Paano kumain?
F tapos pindot! Dali! Mamamatay! Asan yung flashlight na sinasabi ko?
But what the hell, boy?
Eat more! Eat that! Eat that! Eat that!
Yep, you're banned. Have a good night.
It's onion! You gotta eat it! You're gonna die!
Uy. Skibidi
Find the
toilet.
gas.
Skibidi toilet.
Sabi ko kasi kuhain mo yung ano eh. Ba't ka mamamatay na? Ba't ka mamamatay na? Gonna die!
Uy. Mamatay na ba ako?
Oo.
Shut your stupid.
Pinatay ka ba? Binugbog ka ng mutant?
Hindi ko ulob. Hindi ko ulob.
Shut your stupid.
Main ka, pre. Ay, ayan, nag-heal ka. Pre, hanapin mo yung ano.
Uy!